Dear children of class 6th and 7th, I know that your examinations are going to be conducted very soon, probably in the last of the month of February. Therefore, I have brought before you an examination model paper on maths, chapter algebra. As you have a good knowledge of algebra by now, I will further suggest you to go through our video on algebra class 6th maths for a help. Now we start with. Children, here comes before you question 1. Express the product of x and y added to their sum. Children, this is the algebraic expression in which you have to add the sum of two variables x and y with its multiple. Children, answer for this is x plus y. This is the sum, and what you have to add into it, you have to add the product of x and y. Therefore, the sum and then the product xy, product of x and y will be xy. It is added to the sum. Here is the answer. Express 2 less than the quotient of x by. Children, quotient of xy is equal to x upon y. Quotient of xy means x divided by y. Express 2 less than, and we have to express it by 2 less. So the answer is x upon y minus 2. Here is the third one, question third one is this: express x cubed less than y cubed. Children, x cube is x to the power x raised to the power 3 less than y cubed. Less than y cubed means y cube minus x cube. So here is this is the answer. Now question 4th is express x multiplied by itself. Children, when a variable is multiplied by itself, it becomes its square. Hence answer is x multiplied by x is equal to x square. Now here comes question 5. Ranjit scores 80 marks in English and x marks in Hindi. What is his total score in two subjects? Children, he scored 80 marks in English plus he scored x marks in Hindi. The answer becomes, total marks becomes 80 plus x. Now question 6 comes before you is this: a man earns rupees 25 per hour. How much does he earn in x hour? Children, this is simply unity method. So how we do it? In 1 hour, man earns, here is earns rupees 25. In x hours, man earns rupees 25 multiplied by x, it becomes rupees 25x. Now the next question is: the cost of one pen is rupees 16 and cost of one pencil is rupees 5. What is the total cost of x pens and y pencils? Children, here the cost of one pen is given to you. Cost of one pen is rupees 16 and he is asking for the price of x pens. The cost of x pens will be, therefore, cost of one pen is rupees 16. Cost of x pens will be rupees 16 into x is rupees 16x. Similarly, cost of one pencil here is given rupees 5 rupees, and cost of y pencils he is asking for. Cost of one pencil is rupees 5. Cost of y pencil will be rupees 5 multiplied by y, and that is rupees 5 by. Therefore, children, he is asking you the total cost of these two items. Children, the total cost of these two items is rupees 16x plus 5 by. Now comes question 8 before you. It states that Lalit earns rupees x per day and spends rupees y per day. How much does he save in 30 days? Children, he is asking the saving in 30 days. Its solution is like this. So we have to first find out the earning of Lalit for 30 days. Therefore, in 1 day Lalit earns rupees x, and in 30 days Lalit earns rupees x into 30 is equal to rupees 30x. Similarly, in 1 day Lalit spends rupees y. In 30 days, Lalit spends rupees by into 30 is rupees 30 by. Children, he is asking for the saving, his saving after 30 days. So his saving is rupees 30x minus rupees 30y is equal to rupees 30x minus 30y. This is the answer for this question. And now the next question comes before you is: 3 times a number added to 8 gives 20. Find the number. Children, let the number be x. 3 times of this number will be 3 into x or 3x. So according to question, 3x plus 8 is equal to 20 and 3x is equal to 20 minus 8. After transposing plus 8 to this side of equality, it gives 20 minus 8, or 3x is equal to 12, or x is equal to again 12 upon 3 is equal to 4. Hence the required number is 4. This is the answer. Now we come to question number 10. Children, here the values of variables are given, like x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3. Find the value of x square, y square plus 2xyz. Children, the solution is like this. Putting the given values in the expression given, we get, write down the expression here first, x square plus y square plus 2xy, and now putting the values. Values of value of x is 1, making it square, it becomes 1, and value of 2 y is equal to 2, making it square, it 2 square plus 2 into 1 into x, 1 for x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3, and all multiplied together. So square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, and 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, 3 2 is 6, 2 is 12. Here it is 12. So adding these all these numbers, 12 plus 4 is 16, and 16 plus 1 is 17. Children, its answer will be 17. Now we come to the next question. Solve 4x plus 9 is equal to 17. It implies that, children, 4x is equal to 17 minus 9. Why? Because we have brought this plus 9 to this side of equality. It will get its sign changed by into negative. So the terms here becomes 17 minus 9. Children, it implies that 4x is equal to 17 minus 9 is equal to 8, and x is equal to 8 upon 4, or it is equal to 2. This is the answer for this. Now the next question before you is children, it is solve this expression. So children, solving this expression, we get what we have to do. We have to take the LCM of left hand side. LCM of left hand side is 10, and solving it we get this expression equal to minus x upon 10. Now according to question, minus x upon 10 is equal to 5 upon 2, and transposing this 10 which is in the denominator in this expression, transposing it, it will become it will multiply the denominator of the other term after equality, that mark, that is minus x is equal to 5 multiplied by 10. This 10 will multiply here because it is dividing here, so the sign gets changed, it becomes multiplication. It is turned into multiplication, so it will be like this, 5 into 10 upon 2. And after solving this, we get minus x is equal to 25, or x is equal to minus 25. When the sign of x is minus, we have to find out the value in its plus form. Hence the x plus is equal to minus 25. Children, here comes question 13 before you. It says solve 3x plus 2 minus 2 bracket x minus 1 is equal to 7. How you will solve it? First we have to remove the bracket, children. So after removing that bracket, we get 3 multiplied by x becomes 3x, plus 3 multiplied by 2 becomes 6, minus 2 multiplied by x becomes minus 2x, and minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 gives you plus 2. Hence is equal to 7, or 3x minus 2x plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 7, or 3x minus 2x is x becomes x, and plus 6 plus 2 becomes 8, x plus 8 is equal to 7, or x is equal to 7 minus 8. Or after transposing 8 to this side of equality, x is equal to 7 as such, and when 8 is exchanged from this place to here, it becomes minus 8. Therefore x is equal to 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 1 is the answer. Now comes question 14 before you. It says that the sum of 3 consecutive natural numbers is 51. Find the numbers. Children, the solution is like this. Let the first natural number be x. Therefore 3 consecutive numbers are, number 1 x, the next number is x plus 1, and another next number is x plus 2. Suppose this is 4, this becomes 5, and 4 plus 2, this becomes 6. So these are 3 consecutive natural numbers. Now according to question, adding all these 3 numbers, with variables, that is x plus 1 plus x plus 2, and according to question it is equal to 51. Means adding this x, this x, this x, it becomes 3x, and these numbers becomes plus 3. 3x plus 3 is equal to 51, or 3x is equal to 51, and transposing 3 from this side to this side, it becomes 3x is equal to 51 minus 3 is equal to 48, or 3x is equal to 48. It implies that x is equal to 48 upon 3, or 16 is the answer. Hence the numbers are, we have assumed the first natural number to be 16, then the first is 16, the next becomes 17, and further next becomes 18. Children, to check the answer, if we add this 16, 17 and 18, we will get the number 51. Now question 15 comes before you is this: after 16 years, Seema will be 3 times as old as she is now. Find her present age. Children, the solution of this is, let the present age of Seema be x. And after 16 years, her age will be x plus 16 years. Therefore, according to question, after 16 years, she will be 3 times of her own age. That is, x plus 16 is equal to 3x. 3 times of her present age means x. Therefore, keeping 16 this side and taking x to this side, it becomes 16 is equal to 3x minus x, or 3x minus x when subtracted together, they become 2x. 2x is equal to 16. Or x is equal to 16 upon 2 is equal to 8. Hence, present age of Seema is 8 years. You can very well check the answer also, children. Suppose present age is Seema's present age is 8 years. After 16 years, she will be of 24 years. Means 3 times of her present age. 3 times of 8 years. 3 8 is 24. Children, I hope you will be getting it. Anyway, now the next question is 16. Mark a tick mark against the correct answer in each of the following. By how much does 1 exceed 2x minus 3y minus 4? Here this question requires some consideration. It says that by how much does 1 exceed 2x minus 3y minus 4? It clearly states that 1 exceeds with this number, this variable number. 1 exceeds. A number is said to be exceeded when it is larger. So here it indicates that 1 is larger than this algebraic expression. Then here it is asked that how much 1 exceeds with this expression. Children, instantly looking at the expression, it looks like the value of this expression will be more than 1. But here it is a different case. Means the question states that 1 exceed, means 1 is larger than this number. Then how much does 1 exceed? How much 1 is larger than this number? So how you will do this question? These are the options before you: A, B, C and D. So to solve this question, what we will do, children, this above question applies as 1 minus 2x, 1 minus this algebraic expression is equal to what? Means how much does it 1 exceed? Children, if you take a very simple example, that if you take a number 4, and if someone asks you that how much 4 exceeds with 1, so what you have to do? You will subtract 1 out of 4 and you will get the answer 3. Means you will say that 4 exceeds with 1 by 3. Similar is the case here. How much 1 exceeds with this? Then we have to subtract this algebraic expression from 1 like this is equal to what? How much it exceeds? Therefore, I have made it a question mark. How much does it exceed? So after simplifying, we get 1 minus 2x and minus minus plus 3y, and minus minus again gives plus 4. Now solving it, we get further it becomes 4 and 1 5 minus 2x plus 3y. So children, 1 exceeds with this algebraic terms by this algebraic terms. Means after subtracting we are getting 5 minus 2x plus 3y. So if we go into the option, here option C is showing the same result. Therefore, the answer of this question is option C.